Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an Actions workflow in GitHub. To create a GitHub Actions workflow, start by opening your repository and clicking the Actions tab at the top. GitHub will show workflow templates for common use cases like pipelines for Node.js, Python, Java, Docker, and deployment workflows. You can select a recommended template or begin from scratch by choosing Simple Workflow. Let's choose the simple one just so we don't overwhelm ourselves with the abundant information. This will open an editor for a new YML file inside the GitHub Workflows directory. Give your workflow a proper name and define when it should run. For example, on push or on pull request, as you can see here in the code. And then write your jobs and steps, like setting up your environment, installing dependencies, and running test or build commands. Once you're done, click Commit Changes. Add a commit message and confirm. GitHub will automatically save the YAML file and immediately activate your workflow. From now on, every time the trigger condition is met, your workflow will run, helping automate testing, deployment, or other development tasks without manual work. And that's how to create an Actions workflow in GitHub.